Perang Malaysia, Meghalaya budget session oangaha. Ari budget session special motion strangku takkan irang tentang isu fan ulpoka ani kon kangha.
Was the Chief Minister allowed to meet people who are already members of terrorist organization, banned organization?
Dalam ansang excessive use of force and police brutality ni Jera Ra'a ni Dr. Mukul ni akan kebakaran ni adita ni ani ko dakskana. Aru ye video mongsong bote mini secretary to golmal wani bidingo aru ni yo nomay oaha yani bidingo bini Jera Ra'a ni agana ni ko dakna John golmal kagapa bar amat kaparang ko terrorist ne branded kai batak bimu ne mang rumani ko dako keso nani ko dakani bidingo Dr. Mukul adita akan ni ko ansing nakang mo skag. Ini sekretar Muhammad Gapa Manderangara, ya golma di bingung Muhammad Gapa Rangara, sawa Rangara, teroris ma andina Ramandema, jadi bidungo adita kolpoka niko, anceng megang sekalian. Sakan dikenal caksua cancini abaona, nasimang daalo Dr. Mukul ni assemblyo excessive use of force or police brutality ni agana Jera Ra'a ni gemen, bata cession emotion ani bidungo. Kolpoka aniko Jera Ra'a aniko atseng yangda aro sakantikon jana skangpik paceng ko sakantikon amutela nasimang ibani amutela nasimang skangpong ibagi chimone kasafa nasimang channel ko subscribe ka kuchna nasimang mola like kabo aro share kabo aro jema ang daon kung support ko isna song ko mutela na so ni gaman dektek sa ni gisapon YouTube video monetize ka ko manaha aro tentang macam support rangku, yang ni rangku golpo kak ni rangku nak semua comment kata nak semua sakanti kon tela, bukan lagi support kak buat sakanti kon, nak semua sakanti kon momola, nak semua yang video kon ni so gen cimode, nak semua like kak pabo, share kak bo, subscribe kak nak buat pada be, nak semua sakanti kon, ya video na nak semua cak sua, hai video kon yang na. Perang wibo ya video de komplement bunga second kolachi chetoni agad ko paunisa aba cheni hangke bini plug motion ko abanyo bini video gumokte mid crocs ni second crocs ni wacham ya gumok de anga thal na man jawa niba dingtang part takina song na neken chung ode na song comment kat bu kamo na song comment kat china na song ko mola jeda ko de anga song na video ko thai dakbe na mana kita daldi video de ya mid bunga second kolachi chat ni apa sing gaba je bini speech rang kosa adita niangani ko takan chanchiani ko takangen de bayan no conclusions ko tingra bazawa na simang conclusion na simang dakchina chanchiani mai ko agana jani bidungo mai ke na sonaka ko na simang na kaman kachina kata ha mola iya video tentang special motion excessive use of force and police brutality ni motion abag bunga Most of the year, giant is also public hearing. Tingtang wansa kaje gono police ani chair gas rang no ani tingtang wansa kaje gono ani bidingo sa yam motion ra bacham. Iba Dr. Mukul yako chance ra emong tingtang wansa garuls ni je July korup golma gono golo yani bidingo wa yako bas kaha. Iba issues ko biya mengaca na me kana ko issues ko mengaca nibu wa fias ko ba mehem ni problem wanja man ko arrest khago mandirang ko UAP Act, Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, nagapani bidingo, ukur agate mong usong kuni ko sa case ka ni bidingo sa, iya motion ra ani, ba iya debate ka ni de, ongs kaya nga. Iya ramay na gamchat tawkan sa perang masyira siya nga sa kanga ba. Assemblyo, jeko agana, uko sacrosanct niya agana. Jay katapa assemblyo agan nga chimuwa mo de, belum gamsata surkarina jimana yako nipul tain ko daken are serikali donga unga uja plakon uning musa iya kata blongen gamsata assembly jiko akan bakatarang na men gamsat ka bunga uko machibo mane yano akan ka bakatarang ko aisa nang office memorandum na nang ni tama sa policy sariyang yo ekmu kun takpul tain ko nitnamat kanan siya uning man na newspaper bagan bo ba na tinggal masuk social media serang bagan bu, orang dapat deh kamsat boleh assembly budget session akan kebakat orang main kamsat ke bunga. Ini mesti ko August house ni akan na, sawa layman ang basaw ba sige jo mandrang ma ko August House nya kana ngen assembly kun August House nya kana jon tingtham mancha policy thaina man ko bill aro tingtham mancha je mandrang chi siok ko ma nimung democracy ni sorkari ode siok ko ma nimung ri ang munyam thaina man gapa ya noko dol kun August House ni bakan gen sang so August House ni bako anak nagen pang political science students ongija pani yani biling atita ma si sana badonga ni masanga ko thaltani ko takinga mungkapun gam chat ka pai no Dr. Mukul ni agana nyura UAPA Unlawful Activities Prevention Act 1967 ni bidingo adita agana ni ko dakaha thalatani ko dakaha ni bidingo yako adita wir anang naktan sing chanchirum naktan sing yako anga onasnya hanjing nyang na Dr. Mukul mai ko agana
Activities Act. Now, I want to question the government through you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Was the Chief Minister allowed to meet people who are already members of terrorist organization, banned organization?
Via meet Coxney, second Coxney na agana. Our video meet Shibunga, second Kolachi Chapuni Abachinge, Jan UAPA Act ni bidingo via agana chum yakon nyang skana.
Mr. Speaker, sir. Even the Chief Minister or the Home Minister cannot meet any member of the banned outfits without the complete due process followed by the state government and the Union Home Ministry. It is sacrosanct. Anybody who is waging war against the state, we cannot meet. I had to counsel many of my colleagues while we had the privilege of being in government that you cannot talk directly to the members of the banned outfit. Therefore, was the Chief Minister meeting those members of the banned outfit in Tura to deal with the situation? And if so, that means the district administration, particularly the police, knew who they were meeting. What was the situation prior to meeting and at the time of meeting? Therefore, there are relevant laws. There are relevant laws. This August House has legislated number of such laws. This August House has also further amended those various laws to give the enough strength and power from the legal perspective to the authorities in the state. But, Mr. Speaker, sir, UAPA 1967 is meant for terrorists.
Tau binya kana sin naman gen terrorist angapa dol kode ban kode state government bas police rang dingthang mancha agana mancha ya dorang state government rang ba police dorang yarang de bobul dol nimung term kana mancha ni ba central government sa notify kana mana ne bi agana ko anjing namana nga da mungkapan binis anya ra kun ta ba se bobul dol ongin chim ode maina chief minister gronga chief minister grongna mancha chim ne agana ya chim Chief Minister Mai, darang ba grongna manjawa jen government ni dilgoparang gen chim ode sorkari dilgoparang de darang ba process credit grongna manja nide ya corporate hari ko grong ba dol rangara bobul dol ongin chimne maina gronga binya kana darang ba ya bobul dol ongin chim ode grongna gata manja ne akan ko pa ko ching nakdam anenga
Mr. Speaker, sir, you are also one of the elected members from western part of the state. 24 MLAs from Garo Hills region. What was the social media narrative being circulated? We were all being blamed. All the MLAs of Garo Hills, why are you keeping silent? In the matter of an issue which revolves around the interests of the community. We were provoked. We were provoked. Still, we had to counsel many of our colleagues, don't get influenced by those kind of narratives. Even as of now, there are narratives which is in circulation in various social media platforms, which points a finger at us questioning our loyalty to our community. Why was it not prevented in the first instance? And who are those who were pointing finger at the members of this August House, loyalty towards our committed duty and responsibility towards the interests of our people? Therefore, The government of the day has more job to do to understand who are those belonging to this particular group, forces who are trying to color all the MLAs of this Agas house as anti-Garo. It's a very dangerous trend. It is a very dangerous trend.
Da o yano mungsa Dr. Mukul akan gepao ontiti chanchina nang gepara social media group rong biagania acek sa call group pi MLA hon anti garon yaganana je ye issues ni gun drup drup dongani bidengo aro sa call group pi MLA hon man dikata ha khaje botta kata bok ma dikata kata ka mana jeni public rang bisoni mandira mani gumun ya job reservation aro ya uta capital bideng na so anja ni hala kha nem lon khangdek chok nya taona khangba khangdekinga akan cakna mandikya basko de unimun yang bidengo na song influence ka ko ba chanchiani ko ba na song disco nomat na be nimung anthan dolong na kana na ye issue sani bideng ho ba ya issue sani bideng ba ya je jiwang ha wa dimani bidengo ukha kana ha aro Dr. Mukulya kana ni ko je manderangan social media oda awa dong kuinga je ya MLA kam khaja jatna kam khaja an gapa thagan gapa mandirang kusa na nanga bijong don thongat ananga dingtang thang ek rang ko jakal dakna nanga nimung agana ni ko bia agan skhainga Dr. Mukulya kana ni ko mungkapun khathara yade police rang inefficiency ko me sokanya kana choli gijani ko me soka arun baksana dingtang mancha police rang ni power ko misuse ka ni ko jakalena andike jakaldo nam gensup an go ka kanya ar DGP ni statement no je chief minister ko so na iba conspiracy ka an go parang khathani bidungo yani khathang jaha an go bako Dr. Mukul agania
Today, these young boys and all, because of the inefficiency of the district police, just to hide their inefficiency, went up to the extent of arresting and clamping this law which is designed for the terrorists. I'm sorry. It pains and hurts our, body, mind and soul to see these things happen. I have never heard any time in this long innings of my public life that people entered into a conspiracy to kill a chief minister or a minister in the state of Meghalaya. It has never happened. You have all the record of the inputs that we have collected over the years, over the decades, while we were in the worst situation. So, there's some police officers, because of their inefficiency, or is it to just create that kind of bonhomie with the people in power, in authority? Mr. Speaker, sir, we have the Police Act 2010, effectively deliberated, discussed and passed by this August House. Go by this Police Act 2010. It's like a Bible. It's like the scripture for the police.
Aro binia kana ni ongya officer ang beldong genchim oba public koni ke genchim oni public namen ki sagen aro yo officer ang jirang yamangde tau rebagin apaloni aro dongen aro andike public ni kosako ongi jaski ja nyang hor agate mungsunde jaman transport imong yang kulgen ya kana mana bi sunde Meghalaya ni unjani mun andiba dongna nang kaparde ya daw anjing MLA ba CM shundong kapnanga aro chasoni chasona yanakba ko jatni kosako dakin semua odi jat gual Jawa nanti akan ani ko anjing nagna maninga total bakba da anjing chanchian ni Dr. Mukul ni akan aniyo Unlawful Activities Prevention Act 1967 je kon terusana jakal gba niyam ko je dengtang mancha nege okumu chake ba dengtang mancha jatna development na kam khana gataw biani ko jatna nangani ko biani rango takko mandani ko sako jakal jogi nam yensum engo ba khatara totum kulni agana ma wamu unja ya ba chang musa chancheni unya
Home Department should look into this. Political department should look into it. And if the members who are booked under the act which is meant for dealing with terrorists, if these people are terrorists, then there's a process. That process has to be followed. And this process has not been followed. That means they are not terrorists.
aro police rangara agriang hama je tengtang macam nege jatna dabiani ko nege terrorist act ang gatemeng jello belgi one do nengara yaba chanchini mungsok waha bini agananiyo social media au tengtang macam ML rangko jatna kam kajengan goba katarang akan goba dolang ba dongane Dr. Mukul agana yara hadang wamong jama simangan China simang ni jakusoknya yedang chanchani kusara bayangan simangna gubernur unjuk police rang excessive use force ko use kama khazama agre batte dakang hama ukuba simang chanchibo aganbo je ya issues ni biding rang modi wani bidingo Dr. Mukulnya kan kepara public te sorkari kosa anjingde maafan chanchi biong justice dari bengai justice dari bao misa kensi mode kura sasoni sasona misika kamgen angoba katabong amu jama waba chanchiisa aro unbaksa bini akanani ora misika kamgen san ongja anti japsan dongulna ba nanggen sason sasonan manjat apsan jokona ya ni bidingo ba chancheni mungsoknya yarang bidingo na simang nang megen chumode na da betul kagen Dr. Mukul ko grong iba ya bidingo kolpo ka ini nagata interview ini nagata bira maikom songacem yarang bidingo aro tentang manca bini somanira kan sinang batem masina gata na simang nang gechi comment ka sinang bia mola simang ko na simang panga mandiran de Dr. Mukul ko interview ini sang motor nangode ana simang maksa interview anagta ba live present kan agta ba kusyong begen dali yasan oigen ansin igol pode ansin chanchenia abao de yasan oigen semua sakanti kon ye video ko boning yani tel bia na simang da ona kung like ka pusa ka sa like at kuchina subscribe ka wabo or share ka bo mana singjat to informations rang bangi nanga hadan am asina bonga yarang ni bidungo ba amaden ma sija songo ko dongpa jonga da noa birang ansini mamatang adatang ansini magpa anu gapa plak na sokat na gata dengtang tang gata ko doing gapa manderang na anjing ya ku yat na gata aska songo wiani dengtang tang komyani ke bidung maceng tang doni babon kominga anjing sakkan ten wigen chim ode werok ngen chim ni form ngen chim ode anjing so arjat tang dona gata belongen tarak bejan oli mana simong sakkan ko mola simang share kat kucina simang like kat kucina subscribe kat kucina jadi ko na song tal video ibang barang ko na song miss ka bisa 만들 기자도 문제나 그다 가서카는 송 subscribe or notification bell ko ba asong at kuchina ana sumko momola sakan dikun mutela at jatang bangchina